Dear students, welcome to my English online class. I introduce myself. I am Muhammad Abu Said, assistant teacher English, Sitakund Girls High School. How are you? Hope all of you well by the mercy of Almighty Allah. I am also well by the mercy of Him. Actually, this is my 5th class. In this class, I would like to welcome you to enjoy and watch the class. I think this class is very important, and today I'll give you a lesson on 2 rules of tag question. First one is indefinite pronoun and another one is noun. Okay, the usage of indefinite pronoun. First of all, you have to know what the indefinite pronoun is. Dear students, you are looking indefinite pronoun. Everybody, anybody, somebody, everyone, anyone, someone, nobody, no one, none, many, every plus noun. So all the words are indefinite pronoun. These words have been used in these examples as a subject. If you see these words or indefinite pronoun as a subject, you have to use they as a pronoun of subject in the tag question. And you are looking an S from. For the S from, in my first class, I have told you that for the S from you have to write does or doesn't. In this moment, you have to learn a new idea. For the S from, you have to write don't. Why you will write don't? Because here subject is everybody. For everybody, you have to write they. For everybody, you have to write they. So don't plus pronoun of subject they. You cannot write doesn't for S from, because you are writing they for everybody. So don't is plural verb and they is plural pronoun, but doesn't is singular verb, they is plural subject or pronoun. So if actually subject and verb agreement, from the grammar we can learn that if subject is singular, verb will be singular. Subject is plural, verb will be plural. But here subject or pronoun they is plural word, so don't is plural word. So subject and verb agreement is correct. But you cannot write doesn't. Doesn't is singular, they is plural. So before they, you cannot write doesn't, you have to write don't, because they is plural, verb is plural, plural verb don't. So don't is the right answer, don't they. In spite of you are looking as, you have to write don't, you cannot write doesn't. So and someone, for someone you have to write they as pronoun. This is pronoun someone, but you have to write another pronoun in the tag question they, and someone went there. So went is first form. For this first form you have to write didn't plus pronoun of subject. You have to write they for someone. So didn't they. Nobody believes a liar. So you have looked hates as from, and you are now looking believes, that is as from. So for this as from, you didn't write doesn't, you have written don't. But nobody believes a liar. This statement is negative because you are looking nobody. So for no, this nobody no or nobody, this statement is negative, so answer will be affirmative. So for the negative statement, you can't write don't, but you have to write do. Okay, though there is s, but you cannot write does. You have to write do, because you have to write they for nobody. So do is plural verb and they is plural pronoun. So plural and plural. So subject and verb agreement. Subject they or pronoun they, and verb is do. Do is plural verb. So plural plus plural, that means subject and subject verb agreement is correct here. So do they is the right answer. None can do it. So none is negative word. That means this statement is negative. So the answer will be affirmative. For can, you have to write can. You can't write can't for can. So you have to write can for can, because subject is negative. So the statement is negative. Answer will be affirmative. Can plus pronoun of subject. Now none. For none, you have to write they. They is pronoun of take. So can they. Can they is the right answer. Every mother loves her child. Every plus noun. Every plus noun. Any noun. So every plus noun, for every plus noun you have to write they. It's pronoun of take. So you are looking as from. For as from, you have written don't. So for this affirmative statement, you have to write don't. Don't plus pronoun of subject they. So don't they is the right answer. Very interestingly, you are looking nobody was present there. But here a singular verb was. But this statement is negative. Nobody was present there. So nobody is negative word. Nobody. For nobody, you have to write they. So you have to write they for nobody, and was. You cannot write was. You have to write where. Where is plural verb. Where they. Because they is plural. Where is plural. So subject and verb agreement is correct. You cannot write was there, and you can't write wasn't, because this statement is a negative for nobody. So answer will be affirmative, and you cannot write was. You have to write where, because they. If you see here is, you have to write are. You cannot write is, because they is plural, are is plural, they is plural, where is plural, they are, they are. So are they, why are they is the right answer. I think you have clearly understood these usages. Very important for your coming exam. So try to memorize, and I advise you that you must watch the class again and again to remember and learn. As a subject, you will have seen everything, something, anything, and nothing. For these four nouns, you have to write it as a pronoun. Pronoun of take. It. Everything is possible. Something is better than nothing. Anything can be happened. And nothing is impossible actually. I would like to make you understand these words and its usage through some examples. Okay, you are looking everything, something, anything, nothing. All the words are subject. So for this subject, you have to write it pronoun of take. Okay, pronoun of subject in the tag question actually. So you are looking is for isn't for is. So isn't plus pronoun of subject everything it. You are looking for you have to write it for everything, it for something, it for anything, it for nothing. So you have to write it. You can't write everything, something, anything, nothing in the tag question. Okay, remember it. So you are looking is for isn't, but you cannot write isn't because this statement is negative. Everything is possible, affirmative statement, and answer is negative, and something is better than nothing. Nothing is negative word. So this statement is negative, answer will be affirmative. Is it? So is plus pronoun of subject, is it question mark is the right answer, and anything can be happened. So this is affirmative sentence and affirmative statement. You are not looking any negative word, so this statement is affirmative, answer will be negative. So for can you have to write can't, and for anything you have to write it. So can't eat, can't eat, can't eat, can't eat is the right answer. So nothing is impossible. So nothing is negative word. Negative word. For this negative word, the statement is negative. So you cannot write isn't. Is for is. You have to write is, because this negative statement, this is negative statement, and answer will be affirmative. So is it for nothing. So is it is the right answer. I think you have clearly understood this discussion. So from this today's class, I think you have learned more. This class will be effective and important for your coming exam. So if you don't understand any discussion, I would like to advise you that you must watch the class again and again. So no more today. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.